Welcome to another session of Hardcat Feature Focus. This session will focus on the new Hardcat Grid search functionality. Hardcat's new powerful search feature allows your users to run searches against multiple criteria across multiple fields. Alternatively, your users can search against the same field multiple times. In this example, I may want to search against condition code, but I want to find all good and all excellent conditioned assets. In our search criteria pane at the top here, we have the option of match on all of the following or match on any of the following. If I use the match on any of the following, I can search in the same field multiple times. So as you can see, I've selected condition code twice. I want to now search on all good and all excellent assets. So if I press apply now, that will then give me a list of assets which are all good and which is all excellent. But if I want to find all good and excellent assets in, say, Sydney, I can add this option at the top. I can say show me all assets where the location folder code is equal to New South Wales, okay, ensuring that I tick the include items up below. Once I press apply now, my filter will give me only assets in New South Wales which are good and excellent. To complete this search in version 3, that would have been multiple searches. Now in Hardcat version 4, that's been centralized into one search, therefore making your searching in Hardcat a lot more efficient. Another great feature of the Hardcat search function built into the Hardcat grid is the ability to save searches. What this allows you to do is once you have your save search criteria applied, you can click save this search. This allows you to save this criteria for future use. So now I can choose the search criteria from my drop-down list at the top. Thank you for watching the latest episode of Hardcat Feature Focus, showcasing the new Hardcat grid screen functionality. If you have any questions about anything you've seen today or any feature focuses in the past, please don't hesitate to get in contact with Hardcat Sales at sales.hardcat.com. Thank you very much.